Distance learning curricula in cloud computing, databases, content prepared by Frane Urem. Good afternoon and welcome to the cloud computing course. This course was developed as a result of the Erasmus Plus project Code In. All you need for learning is internet access and a computer. The course contains a total of 10 topics, and in this topic, we will say something more about the load balancing. Database systems on the cloud are often divided into traditional relational SQL and non-relational NoSQL databases. SQL databases are better for multi-row transactions, while NoSQL is better for unstructured data, like documents or JSON. In addition, SQL databases are table-based, while NoSQL is document, key value, graph, or wide column stores. SQL databases are vertically scalable, while NoSQL databases are horizontally scalable. SQL databases are the most common choice in regular business operations because they provide an intuitive way to represent data and allow easy access to related data points. A lot of these modern applications, whether it is mobile applications, IoT, a lot of these online advertising applications, all of these applications where there is a huge amount of volume would use a NoSQL database. Database in the cloud can be used as a service where the cloud provider takes care of all tasks related to database maintenance. Of course, a traditional approach where the database is installed on a virtual machine or bare metal server is also possible. When installing on a virtual machine, it is possible to choose between a single node system. If it fails, it is recovered from a backup, or a high availability two-node system. In case of the first node fails, the database continues to work on the second node. Database as a cloud computing service lets users access and use a cloud database system without purchasing and setting up their own hardware, installing their own database software, or managing the database themselves, not to mention hiring the high-priced talent required to do so. Instead, the cloud provider takes care of everything from periodic upgrades to backups to ensure that the database system remains available and secure 24/7. The latest database as a service represents Oracle's autonomous database concept. An autonomous database is a cloud database that uses machine learning to automate database tuning, security, backups, updates, and other routine management tasks traditionally performed by DBAs. However, unlike a conventional database, an autonomous database performs all these tasks and more without human intervention. Two options are supported. One is called shared and one is called dedicated. As the name specifies, dedicated means you exclusively use the hardware. In the shared model, you provision and manage only the autonomous database. To complete this unit, study and review the following online resources. Thank you for your attention.